Well, Bill, we are ready to welcome in spring with a fun May Day basket. Designer Cara Massie and her daughter McKinley show us how it's done DIY style so that you can make one full of goodies and surprises.
We're starting this morning with an 8x8 piece of construction paper or pretty scrapbook paper. So go ahead and turn your paper over. Begin by folding in. She's gonna fold in right to the corner, and then we're gonna fold this edge up just like that. Go ahead and fold it over. Perfect. And then right here along this open edge, we're gonna run your tape runner and go ahead and close that closed. Fantastic. Great, so we both have a paper cone to work with now. This is where we get into the really fun part. I like to fill my May Day baskets with both flowers and candies for my friends. So I like to work with a floral water tube. These are just little tubes that you can put your stems down into. It'll help your cut stems hold a little longer. If you don't have this, a really great tip is to take a wet paper towel, wrap it around your stems, put it in a Ziploc bag, and then put it down into your paper cone. But McKinley, go ahead and get your stem, pick out any flower that you want, and we're just gonna insert it down into the water tube. Perfect. So you wanna go ahead and stick your flowers down into your paper cone. Excellent. Oh, that looks so great. Now, take your paper cone and let's go ahead and fill it up with some treats. Perfect. We're just gonna put them right down in there. All right, she likes a full one, I like that. Now, next what we need to do is, I'm gonna set mine to the side so we can just work on yours. We're going to hole punch 6 holes into your paper cone. This is gonna be what we thread our ribbon through so that we have something to hang it. Go ahead and grab your ribbon that we pre-cut. You're gonna want about 18 to 24 inches of ribbon and just thread it through your holes. This is a really fun project to do with kiddos because it's not hard, and you can do it with items that you likely already have at home. Construction paper, scissors, tape, a hole punch, any extra ribbon that you've got laying around. Twine would also work. Perfect, let's get it through that last hole. Then we're gonna tie a knot on the back so that we can hang it from our neighbor's doorknob. My favorite part is that after you hang it from the doorknob, you're supposed to ring the doorbell and then dash away, which is really fun. Then, last but not least, would you like to put that on the front? Perfect. Thanks for helping me today, McKinley.
Of course.
Happy May Day, everybody.
So cute, and of course that is the sweetest ding-dong ditch you can do. Perfect in this time of social distancing. And tomorrow is May Day. Bill?